Hey, this is Matt Whitmer from Broudy Precision. In this video, we are taking a look at a new feature that we added to BP Tech Center over the last couple weeks, and it allows you to take a look and keep track of your Niagara licenses from a central location in a website you've already got access to, BP Tech Center, and filter things down and find out when your SMAs are expiring or if they already are expired. So let's jump into BP Tech Center now and take a look. All right, so I've got BP Tech Center opened here, and I'm going to log into a dummy account with a dummy user right now. So I will just do that real fast. And I'm logged in. So the way you access this currently, and there will be some ongoing changes that are being made to BP Tech Center as far as the look and feel and where this button is located. But for now, this is how it operates. You log in and you click on your profile button. Over here on the side, you will see this example company. That's my company name in this case, and it is blue, indicating it's a link. That's because my user is set up as a manager. If you don't have that access, you don't have the ability to click on your company name, get in touch with your salesman, and they'll probably be able to help you out with that. So I'm going to click on my company, and I get to my company overview page. In here, I can see all of my users that are underneath the company, what I have access to product-wise and download-wise on BP Tech Center, and I can pull up my SMAs page, as well as see all of my licenses that are expiring or SMAs that are expiring in the next 30 days. All of this is dummy data, so don't pay too much attention to, say, the model numbers and versions and that kind of thing. It's all made up programmatically just so that I can demonstrate this for you. So I can see all of my licenses that are expiring in the next 30 days. And if I click on any of these license numbers, it will take me over to Niagara Central. And so long as I'm logged into the right account, so if it's a Honeywell license, obviously need to be logged into the Honeywell portion of Niagara Central. You can pull up the full license page that you normally would have to dig through to find on Niagara Central. So that's what we get on just the company overview portion. But if I go into the actual page here, I get a lot more details and a lot more functionality. So at the very top, I can see the total number of licenses that I have underneath our company and how many are expired. There are download buttons all over the place in this interface, and that gets you a CSV so that you can pull that into a spreadsheet and look at it and manipulate it however you need to. We get that expiring in the next 30 days portion that we were just looking at, but with the addition of a download button. And then at the very bottom here is the actual meat and potatoes of things. This is all of our licensed projects. This comes directly from Niagara Central. So however things are laid out and organized in Niagara Central, we are emulating over in BP Tech Center. And I can dig into these things however I need. So say I wanted to take a look at this medical facility upgrade project and see what's going on there. Okay, I can see we've got a bunch of different devices, a bunch of different JACEs, and if on the left-hand side here, you can see there's a yellow exclamation point icon, and that's indicating that we're expiring soon on this particular SMA. So I can make note of that and maybe go out to the customer and try to sell them on that new SMA. Also, we have some filters and a search. So I guess I'll start with the search, and I will pull in a host ID. Say I knew I was looking for a particular host ID and I wanted to know what the status was of that when my SMA is expiring on that. I can just paste it in here because I had it on my clipboard, and you can see we very quickly search down based on what's underneath our company. And if I expand this project, we can see that is that host ID, and we're good to go here for at least a few more months on that SMA. So if I clear out my search, everything repopulates, and then I have the ability to filter any way that I need. So say I just wanted to see all of my expired licenses, I could do that here, click the expired button, and it will show me all of my projects that have expired licenses in them. You'll note that my number here is going to show me all of the licenses that are underneath the license project, but underneath we will just see the expired licenses. If I undo expired, I guess I sort of looked over this. On the numbers, you will see gray if everything is good to go in that project and nothing is expired, and you will see red if that project has expired licenses. I expand this one, you can see that I've got a single expired license as well as an active SMA license as well. Then we can filter down based on different kinds of devices or supervisor. So if I wanted to look at just JACEs, I could click on that JACE filter, and then everything that comes up underneath all of my projects will only be my JACEs. And then, as I mentioned already and showed you, we have the ability to do expired and just active as well. So hopefully that is a helpful feature to you. From what we've seen so far with the customers that we've shown it to, there's definitely a lot of interest, and make your life a little bit easier in finding out where you can sell some additional SMAs or what SMAs might be coming up for expiration in the near future. If you have any additional functionality or features that you'd like to see in here, leave them in the comments below or reach out to us, and we'd love to hear it. As I mentioned at the top, the only way that you can get access to that and the only way that we can access your licenses to get them in here is if you are associated with us at Broudy Precision. So if you're not, highly recommend you reach out to us, sign up on BP Tech Center, and salesman will be in touch. And we're more than happy to help out and do whatever you need to get your business. So thanks as always for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.